So laying here in the paper is my new footage camera, a Sony A5100, which is apparently a very popular vlogger's camera, and this will be replacing the Xiaomi Yi 4K 12 megapixel action camera that I have been using, which is quite similar to a GoPro. Currently been able to mount the camera in a higher position, so it means you should be able to get a greater field of view and also better quality in my new videos that I'll still be producing. So hopefully overall this will mean better videos, better quality, and hopefully better content. So yeah, just an update, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.